Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Monday the 3rd of March. We're going to move on to dollar yen now. Dollar yen has actually probably been the one currency that's had this significant move in the flight to safety, and that's actually away from the dollar towards the yen in the past few hours. And certainly now this is the daily chart. You've got this decisive break now of this uptrend, this recovery uptrend, and the break of that key low at 101.37. So what does that mean? That opens that key low now at 100.74, and that could put pressure on it. The daily momentum indicators are all certainly in corrective mode, with the RSI falling below that previous low. MACD lines turning lower, stochastics also lower, so the pressure is to the downside in this dollar yen chart, and that low at 100.74 could come under pressure in the coming hours, or maybe even days, but depending on how the outlook for the market is on this Ukrainian story and whether the political tensions begin to calm down or not. But certainly at the moment, the outlook is pressure to the downside, and even actually before then, on Friday, the pressure had been growing to the downside, and it's interesting actually, because that, as I said, that big uptrend had been broken. It's sort of now been used as a basis of resistance on a couple of occasions. Also, you've got these moving averages all lower. You could argue that intraday wise, the momentum indicators are slightly stretched to the downside, maybe, and that could induce a bit of a technical rally. However, what you had on this chart yesterday when it reopened is a gap to the downside at 101.65, and that was filled by a bounce already. So that technical gap has now been filled, which is an interesting development certainly in itself. So that would now be the resistance 101.65 that you need to be watching out for on any sort of rebound in this dollar yen chart. And that could be used as a chance to sell once more. As I said, the daily chart certainly looks like there's an outlook of a move back towards that 100.74 key low there. So watch out for that. The ISM number this afternoon could have an impact on this chart. Certainly, if it comes in better than expected, that could induce a bounce for the dollar. But certainly at the moment, the pressure is to the downside and remaining there. So I wish you good luck in your trading of dollar yen today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.